The Outlaw Ocean by the New York Times is a piece of long-form journalism in a multimedia format. Stories told in this format are long and in-depth, featuring many different chapters and effectively using sequence to tell the story in a particular order. In this case, the New York Times is addressing lawlessness on the high seas. The story utilizes all 5 modes, most especially the visual mode, as seen here with the full-screen photo, and the linguistic mode, as seen in the text of the story as we scroll down the page. It also uses spatial mode in the layout of the article, and gestural and oral mode in the use of videos to accompany the text. Here we see the linguistic mode again in the text overlay on the videos. These modes are used very effectively as the photos and graphics help illustrate the story in a way words can't, and the story itself is extremely well done. The videos make the issue more real and more human and more relatable for the audience. The New York Times made specific design choices. Proximity is used in the white space around the text, which causes the huge photos or graphics to really pop and draws the eye exactly where the designer intended it to go. This allows certain things to be more emphasized than others, like the photos, graphics, or even individual characters in the story, which is very effective for long-form journalistic storytelling. You can see the use of subheads indicating successful use of the organizational design concept, helping tell the story in a particular way. And here, color, alignment, emphasis, and other concepts come together to connect the reader to this man and his tragic story. Contextually, The Outlaw Ocean is part of a recent trend in journalism toward online multimedia exclusives, such as Trials by the Wall Street Journal and the most famous of the group, Snowfall by the New York Times, the same implicit author as The Outlaw Ocean, which wowed the online community when it came out in 2012. The Outlaw Ocean does an extremely effective job communicating about lawlessness on the high seas and is, overall, one of my favorite multimodal texts.